of electric vehicles, where every car maker is trying to outdo each other in a race to make the flashiest, fastest, and most eco-friendly rides. And who better to join the party than Volkswagen, with its latest offerings, the Volkswagen ID.3 and ID.7 GTX. According to the press release, these babies aren't just cars, they're feats of engineering, destined to captivate automotive enthusiasts worldwide, with a more aggressive front end, body kits that scream "look at me," and wheels that could probably double as dinner plates. These cars are determined to turn heads, whether you like it or not. Inside, it's all about sportiness and refinement, apparently. Picture yourself sinking into sport-style seats, upholstered in premium Alcantara with vibrant red accents. And let's not forget about the enhanced chassis, promising optimal handling and performance, as if anyone is going to take these things off-roading. But let's get to the nitty-gritty, the performance. The Volkswagen ID.3 GTX boasts power outputs that could rival a small rocket, ranging from 286 to 326 horsepower. Because why settle for less when you can have the power to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 6 seconds? And if that's not enough, there's a higher-powered variant that shaves off precious milliseconds, just in case you're late for your weekly Echo Warrior meeting. And don't worry about range anxiety. With a 79 kilowatt-hours battery, these cars can apparently go up to 600 kilometers on a single charge. So go ahead, plan that road trip across the country. Just make sure there are charging stations along the way, or you might end up hitchhiking with a farmer and his pet goat. But wait, there's more. Volkswagen isn't stopping at the ID.3, they're introducing the ID.7 GTX Tourer, because apparently, the world needs an electric estate car now. With dual-motor all-wheel drive and a combined output of 340 horsepower, this car is ready to take on whatever Mother Nature throws its way, whether it's rain, snow, or a particularly aggressive squirrel. And get this, the ID.7 GTX Tourer has an 86 kilowatt-hours battery, giving it a range of nearly 700 kilometers. Plus, it can charge up to 80% in just 30 minutes. So basically, you'll spend more time bragging about your eco-friendly ride than actually driving it.